Hello my YouTube friends, this is Noah with Save Green here, and today I'm going to do a review on MintSim 100 days later. So I originally got on MintSim network December 27th of 2017. Today is Sunday, April 8th. So we're about 100 days into their service, and you can see at the top left hand corner it does say Mint, and this is using their app. On their app you will see that it tells you 6 months, 2 gigs of data, and that's what we are currently on right now. But if I go ahead and recharge now, which is what you see there, I will be able to have it at $15 a month, which if you multiply $15 a month times 12 months, we'll do the math. If we do that, let's say $15 a month times 12 months is $180 a year. Now it does say 108 because normally I believe it's a little bit more than that. But if you look at my videos here on YouTube, you will see that I got 3 months plus 3 months free. I think I got it for like 45 bucks. Basically, I got $45. I got 6 months of service, something like that, per phone, and it's both of our phones are on MintSim. But what I'm planning to look into is upgrading my data plan from 2 gigs to 5 gigs, because currently we are 100 days into it, like I said, out of the 6 months, being 180 days, give or take. So we're a little bit more than half of that. And I'm about to go over my data plan, but the reason is I'm not in town. I'm out of town. We're actually in Florida visiting family, and you don't have Wi-Fi all the time, and you're moving about from here to there, whatever. But back home, we never had any problems going over 2 gigs. We were always under 2 gigs the first 3 months. Right now, it looks like we're going to be going a little bit over 2 gigs. So I might contemplate going into 5 gigs. But right now we're fine the way we are, and maybe I'll do another video showing how much of the throttling affects you when you go over the 2 gigs, and that might also have something to do with our decision with staying on the 2 gigs or on the 5 gig plan. So look for future video doing a speed test after they throttle you down, and so you can see what actually happens. But folks, if you are anywhere near where you have T-Mobile network, and essentially that's what MintSim is, you're going to get great reception. If anyone that you know that's on T-Mobile has great reception, you will get it as well. Or if you're currently on T-Mobile right now, you're also going to get great reception as well. In the meantime, thank you for watching. This is Noah with Save Green here.